What's up guys, Andrew here to unbox the NuForce Optima earbuds. Let's check them out. See what we got here. You got the gels, you can share your audio. You got your IPX, 15-minute fast charge, 6 to 18 hours of battery life, USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and is compatible with Siri and Google. Okay, so let's see what we have here. See more, hear more. Okay, let's look at the side of the box. Earbuds, case, gels, and cable. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing here. Okay. See more, hear more. Side. See if anything's on the bottom of the box. We have instructions. Okay, these are instructions. Make sure you read that so you don't mess up your new device. Got the box. Okay, so here we are. Let's see if we can get a... There it is. Okay. So to open... Ooh. Okay, so it has 3 lights in the front, so I'm assuming that's when the device is charged. And... very small design. Just close the case for a second. This is a pretty small case. Go ahead and put the let's put the case down for a second. This is what we're looking at. All right. And there you have it, guys. The NuForce by Optima. Very, very small case. Looking forward to checking these out. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you want to come hang out with me on Twitch, you can do that. Twitch.tv/Uriah. Come hang out with me, and looking forward to seeing you there.